Have you ever thought changing the background of a video is as easy as snapping a finger? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's your boy Biplab once again, and in today's video I will be telling you how to make a green screen at very low budget. So I will be breaking down this video into three parts. In first part I will be telling you about green screen. In second part I will be telling you about how to make green screen at very low budget, and in third part I will be telling you some tips to follow while using green screen. And at last I will be giving you some bonus tips to replace green screen with any other screen. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So before starting about green screen, here is an example why green screen are used. So this is a clip recorded by using green screen, and after some editing, it can be converted into a masterpiece like this. So green screen is a visual effect technique which is used to cut the subject from the background and to compose it on the top of another. So by using green screen, you can compose a video over image, you can compose an image over video, and so on. Why do we use green screen? We use green screen because the human skin tone lies at this region of color wheel and the green color lies at the opposite end of the color wheel. That's why it is easy to use chroma key while editing. If you are a creator with some budget, then you can buy a ready-made green screen kit which costs you about $20 to $30 from the market. If you don't have enough budget, then you can go to the nearest press and print a green color flex and use it as your green screen in the wall, and it will cost you about $5 to $10. If your budget is less than $5 to $10, then what you can do is you can go to the nearest stationery, buy some green papers, and you can use it as a green screen in your wall. But the most effective way, and the way I used to create my green screen, is you can go to the nearest clothes store, you can buy 1 to 2 meters of green clothes and you can use it as your green screen. Here is my green screen setup. Here I bought some clothes from the nearest clothes store and make a curtain from the tailor and use it as a green screen in my video. In this way you can create a green screen for yourself with less than $1 budget. Once you made a green screen by yourself, then here are some tips you must follow while using green screen. Tip number 1. Make sure your green screen is lighted properly. So if you are using a green screen while recording a video and your green screen is not getting enough light, then it will make your video look bad while editing. So while using green screen, make sure you are lighting your green screen very properly. Tip number 2. So if you are recording a video in front of green screen, then make sure you maintain some distance between you and the green screen. Or you are recording an object in front of green screen, then make sure you maintain some space between your subject and the green screen. Tip number 3. So if you are using a green screen, then make sure your green screen is even and it does not have any wrinkles or uneven color. Otherwise, it will make your video look bad while editing. Tip number 4, and it is the most important tip you must follow while using the green screen. So if you are recording a video in front of green screen, then make sure you are not wearing any green clothes or your body does not have any tattoo which is exposed and which is green in color. That will ruin your video while editing. And also be careful about the elements you are using while recording the video. For example, you are not using green plants and other green elements as your video element. If you are not a regular video maker or you want to make a small video clip for your conference or for your project and you are not able to make a green screen, then you can use a plain background with same color as your background and you will still be able to remove background from your video. So if you have to record some green object or use some green video elements in your video and you are not able to use a green screen, then in such case you can use a blue screen as your background and you will still be able to remove the background from your video as easily as you are using a green screen, and it will not affect any video. So guys, this was for today's video, and if you have some other ideas or some other tips, then make sure you comment in this video so that we can make a strong learning platform in this channel and we all grow together. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and in another video, I will show you how to chroma key your video, remove your green background with something very interesting and increase the production.